The 2007 Toyota Camry, 4-cylinder, and it has an exhaust leak. So the first thing I did was lift it up, and it looks like it's gonna need a downpipe off the cat. This pipe here, because it has literally blown right out. And we're gonna have that goes up to here. We're gonna need a gasket here, and this looks flimsy. Like, this looks really bad. I have to think about what I'm gonna do with this. Like, if this metal here falls completely apart, I don't like the way that looks. Literally, there's not that much there. Alright guys, I'm no welding expert and that ain't great welding equipment, but it's a quick fix. This mid pipe from Toyota is $850 US. An aftermarket cheap unit is around $250, $260 shipped, plus hardware. You need new gaskets. This whole area is all rotted out. You go and mess with this, you're going to be welding on a new bracket here, or flange, or having to replace the rear pipe. The front pipe, the bolts probably could have got to. You would have had to disconnect O2 sensor. Like, there would have been a bunch going on here. So let's hope this just holds.